Hi all, this will be our 15th video in React Redux series. Till now, we have seen how Redux works, what are actions, what are reducer, how to create store, everything we have seen using JS file. Now we are going to use Redux with React. This is the main purpose of this series. As of now, we are having understanding on actions, reducers and store. So now it's time to get started with React Redux. Combine Redux in React and make one simple project. So in this session, we are going to do setup of a project. Then from next session, again we are going to continue actions, reduces. So let us just revise whatever we have done. So previously we have seen if we are having one application, all the state of the application will be stored inside the store. If any application, if any component needs the data, they can directly call the store and they can get the data. But if I want to make any changes in the application, the state will not be updated directly. From application, directly I cannot send the data to the store. So for that, we have action. We are going to dispatch an action. Once the action is dispatched, the reducer will be handling that action, and after that, the state will be updated. Okay, this is the process we have seen till now. And also in one application, we cannot have two stores. If you are working on one project, then inside that project, we can have only one store. And all the state of the application will be stored inside the store. Now in this, here I am having two stores. This is not possible in Redux. We will have only one store throughout the application. Okay, we have seen this is the basic scenario. If we want to do something inside the application, we have to dispatch the action. Reducer will handle that action, and based on that action, the state will be updated and that data will be passed to the application. As we have seen, our application will always be subscribed to the store. So as soon as any changes happen inside the state, that information will be sent to the application. If we don't want any information to be changed or updated, then we can unsubscribe from the store and the changes will not reflect on the application. This is all how Redux work. Now we are going to do our project setup. Inside my C drive, I have created one folder, React Redux library. I will right click and I'm just going to open with code. Now first step, we are just going to install React app. I will close this. I will open terminal, Control J. Now inside this, I'm inside my C drive and here I'm having my folder name, React Redux library. Inside this, I'm just going to write one command, npx create React app. I will give the project name as Redux library. Redux library. Npx create hyphen React hyphen app and my project name will be Redux library. I will enter. It will take some time to install all the packages and everything. You can see Redux library folder is created. Now it will be installing all the packages. It will take some time. I will pause the video. Once it is installed, I will continue my setup. You can see it is successfully created. It took me almost 3 minutes to create this one. Now inside, you can see they have suggested me to go inside my folder and then I have to start my server. So I will write here cd Redux library, enter. Now I am inside my folder. Once inside my folder, I will decide npm start. It is just going to start the server. You can see it is starting the development server. Now this app by default it is going to open inside this 3000 port. See here I am having this logo and here I am having some data. When I click on this learn React, I will be redirected to official website of React. From here also you can learn everything about React. I will close this. Now we have created our React app. Now we are using Redux. So what I will be doing, I will do Control C. I'm just going to terminate this one. Inside this, we are going to install two packages, npm install. I'm using Redux, so I have to install Redux package, and we are combining Redux with React. So we have to install React Redux. These are the two packages we are going to use in our project. So I'm just going to install those packages. Now we have successfully installed React and React Redux package. I will close the terminal. I will open this folder. Inside this package.json, you can see we have React entry, we have Redux entry, and also we are having React Redux package. Okay, these three entries, these packages we have installed. Now, as of now, in Redux, I'm using 4.2.1 version. Okay, this video is recorded in 2023. Later, if you see this, maybe the version gets changed. But now we are going to work on this version. And React version is 18.2.0. We have successfully installed the package and also we have created the app. Now let me just open the terminal. I will just write here npm start. See, now here I am having this application. I will come to folder. Inside this src app.js, I will remove this logo, and also I'm just going to remove this complete header. Instead, I will write h1, and here I will write React Redux project. Save. I will refresh this. Now here the heading is written React Redux project, and also if you do any changes, you don't have to refresh. It is just going to display the result. Okay, we have successfully created a React app, and also we have installed two packages. Next, we are going to see autocomplete text. You can see if I write here h1, it is not going to complete by itself. If I write here image tag, everything, opening tag, closing tag, everything I have to write. But next sessions, we are going to understand how to autocomplete this one.